Those of you who know me won't be surprised to learn that I have a pet hate when it comes to Word. I have several actually, but I'm just going to concentrate on this one for now. I absolutely hate it when I see a document with inconsistent gaps between paragraphs and inconsistent font sizes. If you're writing to a customer or you're producing a report, what does that say about you? I'm going to show you how to prevent this from happening. In this test document, you can see I've got some quite inconsistent styles. I've got different sizes of headers. I've got gaps that are inconsistent between paragraphs, and I've got a whole section that's in a different font size to the rest of the document. I'm now going to show you how to standardize all of that using styles. So styles drive Word. At the minute, we're in normal style. So wherever I click, whether it's the header or whether it's part of the ordinary body of the document, it's all in normal. And that's the problem. So if I go up to the top, this is a heading and I want it to be a heading style. If I hover over there, you can see that it gives me a preview of my heading using that styling. I don't actually want that. What I want to do is make the heading 1 style reflect what I had in my document. And in that way, I can sit on every heading line, click the heading 1 style, and it changes it away from normal and puts it at that heading style. So these are all heading 1. You can see it making the difference as I apply it. It's really, really quick to do. This one I want to be a heading 2. So it's a subheading. And again, I want it to look like my document. So I'm going to update it to match that style. It's now heading 2. But as I move up and down, you can see I've got normal text, I've got heading text, I've got normal text. Now this section of my document is in a different size. I want to bring that back to normal. So all I do is click normal and that would reapply those styles. Very, very quick and easy to do. I've also got different gaps between my paragraphs. So if I put on show hide, I can see that there's a spare carriage return there. I can just delete that and that sets the spacing back to normal. At the end of my document, I've got 2 spurious carriage return markers. Now, if you've ever had a document where it's printed a blank page at the end of it, this will be what's causing it. So get rid of those carriage returns at the end of a document and then just turn off the show hide. It doesn't print anyway, so it doesn't matter if you leave it on. It just makes it a little bit messy to see. So let's now say I want to change my normal style throughout my entire document and I want to make it 12 point rather than 10. I can go up to normal, right click over it, modify, and in here, simply change that to 12 point, click OK, and my entire document is now changed. Now what that's done is at the end of page 2, I've now got a heading sitting all on its own and the rest of its paragraph is on page 3. So here I'm going to press Control and Enter, which puts a proper page break into Word. So please, if you've got a short page, don't sit and press carriage return until you've forced everything down onto the next page. Put Control and Enter, proper page break for you, makes your document much more structured. I hope you found that useful. If there's anything else that we can help you with, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us.